It's AumSum time!
Why does a cat circle around us? Firstly, cats often circle around us to mark us with their scent, basically claiming us as part of their territory. Secondly, it can also simply mean that the cat is excited to see us. Thirdly, circling can also be the cat's way to guide us somewhere, like their food bowl. Fourthly, if the cat is rubbing against us while circling, then it's showing trust and affection towards us. Lastly, if the cat seems restless or meows a lot, then it might be asking for something specific, like food.
What happens to our body on a long flight?
No big deal. Nothing can happen to AumSum.
Oh, AumSum. Air circulating in an airplane's cabin is drawn from outside. Now, air at higher altitudes does not contain much moisture. As a result, one can easily become dehydrated. As the airplane climbs, air pressure inside decreases, while when an airplane descends, air pressure inside increases. This can lead to earaches. Also, gases in our bodies expand and contract depending upon the air pressure. This can lead to headaches as well as much more farting than usual. Now, as we remain immobile for long periods in an airplane, it can lead to development of blood clots in our legs, etc. Finally, long flights can also lead to jet lag as well as greater exposure to cosmic radiation. Where do satellites go to die?
Simple. To their retirement homes.
Oh, AumSum. There are a couple of options. It all depends upon how high the satellite is. For the satellites which are closer to Earth, scientists may use the last bit of remaining fuel to slow the satellite down. This way, the satellite will fall out of orbit and burn up in the Earth's atmosphere. For the satellites which are much higher, it will take a lot of fuel to slow them down enough to fall back into the Earth's atmosphere. Hence, for these satellites, it takes a lot less fuel to simply blast them further into space to die. Why Atlantic and Pacific Oceans don't mix?
Simple. Because AumSum is standing in between.
AumSum. The answer is density. Density is the measure of mass present per unit volume. Lesser the density, lighter will be the object. The Atlantic Ocean contains much more salt, as a result of which it is much denser. On the other hand, the water in the Pacific Ocean is less salty, hence its density is much lower. Now, this difference in density due to salinity creates a kind of barrier, called a halocline, between the two oceans. As a result, both the oceans don't mix that easily.
What if Earth was flat? Earth's spherical shape ensures that its rotation around its axis creates the cycle of day and night. If Earth was flat, the concept of day and night might go for a toss. The even gravitational pull of a spherical Earth keeps its atmosphere tightly bound. If Earth was flat, its atmosphere might quickly escape into space. Earth's spherical shape allows gravity to pull matter equally towards the Earth's center. If Earth was flat, the concept of gravity might go haywire. How high do commercial planes fly? Commercial airplanes fly at altitudes ranging between 30,000 to 36,000 feet above the sea level. Firstly, flying at such an altitude places the airplane in the lower stratosphere of planet Earth. Lower stratosphere is located above the clouds. This helps in protecting the airplane against bad weather. Secondly, the air in the lower stratosphere is much thinner as compared to the air near the surface of the Earth. Thinner the air, lesser the resistance for the airplane. This This results in higher fuel efficiency for the airplane. What if we were the size of an atom? Firstly, atoms are crucial in the generation of nuclear power. If we were the size of an atom, we may now be used to generate nuclear power. Secondly, a human hair contains more than 1 million atoms. If we were the size of an atom, even lifting a single human hair may prove to be impossible for us. Lastly, atoms join together to form molecules. If we were the size of an atom, even we may join together to form a superhuman. What if we became cold-blooded? Cold-blooded animals have lower metabolic rates than warm-blooded animals, so they need less food and energy to survive. If we became cold-blooded, even our dinner plate may get reduced to a trickle. Cold-blooded animals can survive in extreme environments like deserts. If we became cold-blooded, even we may find ourselves living in deserts. Cold-blooded animals include insects, worms, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. If we became cold-blooded, even we may have to start living among those animals. Why does acidity happen? Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid to help with digestion. But if there's too much or it gets pushed up into the esophagus, then it leads to discomfort, like heartburn. Acidity is often caused due to overeating or consuming spicy foods. Stress and certain medications can also increase acid production. A weakened lower esophageal sphincter, which is supposed to keep acid in the stomach, can also contribute to acidity. What if Earth's core cooled down? The core generates the Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet from cosmic radiation. If Earth's core cooled down, planet Earth will be in a lot of trouble. The core's structure is important for understanding how the Earth and other planets formed. If Earth's core cooled down, scientists would be one sad lot. The Earth's core regulates the Earth's temperature. If Earth's core cooled down, temperatures on planet Earth may go haywire.